Hello friends, in this lecture we are going to learn verbs. You know about verbs, okay? At first we discuss about the definition of the verbs and we are going to take some example, okay? Let's look definition. A verb denote an action, possession, relation or state of being. A verb denote an action, possession, relation or state of being. वर्ब एक ऐसा शब्द है जिसमें से आपको एक्शन मतलब क्रिया क्या चल रही है ये पता होगा। दूसरा कि पोजीशन मतलब किसके पास क्या है ये दर्शाने के लिए भी वर्ब्स का उपयोग होता है। और रिलेशन और स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग मतलब अभी वो कौन है क्या है ये भी दर्शाने के लिए वर्ब्स को यूज़ किया जाता है। तो लेट्स सी सम एग्जांपल्स। फर्स्ट, ही इज अ लॉयर। ही इज अ लॉयर। हु इज ही? लॉयर। अ लॉयर मतलब वो वकील है, तो इसमें स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग ये पता चलता है हमको। शी हैज़ अ कार तो पोजीशन, ओके। कार्स टायर इज पंक्चर्ड, रिलेशन। कार्स टायर इज पंक्चर, रिलेशन। आई राइट अ लेटर ये तो राइट एक्शन है। शी जम्प्स लाइक जोकर एक्शन है, ओके। शी स्टैंड्स एक्शन है, ओके। तो ऐसे हमको एक्शन का, पोजीशन का, रिलेशन और स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग का पता चलता है वर्ब से। उस शब्द से उसको हम वर्ब बोलते हैं और मराठी में क्रियापद बोलते हैं, ठीक है। तो हमको ऐसा एक पेज दिया है उन्होंने, उस पेज पे क्या लिखा है, लेट्स रीड। योर टीचर विल कॉल आउट स्टार्ट इन 1 minute. Write down as many words as you can to express what someone or something in the picture is doing. This teacher will ask some students to share the words they have written. At first, you look carefully which actions are going on in this picture. In the kitchen, the man is cooking something. So cooking, COOKING, cooking is action word, means verbs, okay, verb. Again action word. The crow is sitting on the window, in the window. Sitting is also action word, so you should write there sitting, SITTING. The girl is typing on laptop. Typing also action, okay. The girl watching to laptop Watching also action word. Another girl is writing something, writing also action. Small girls are playing with toy, playing is also action word. The cat is sleeping, sleeping also action. So sleeping, playing, writing, watching, typing, cooking, sitting, these all are action words, means verbs. Here cooking, typing, writing, playing, sleeping, sitting, watching, pressing, looking. Okay, these are action words, and these all are verbs. You already know that words which tell us what someone or something does are called verbs. Most verbs are doing verbs. I swim every day. Swim is doing verb. Mummy painted this picture. Painted is verb. Words such as is, am, are, where, was, has, have, and had are also verbs. Am, is, are, was, where, have, has, had are also verbs. Okay. We call them helping verbs. Am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had. Even though they do not express an action, वो एक्शन नहीं दिखाते, फिर भी verbs है, helping verbs बोलते हैं ना हम उसको. These verbs tells us what something is, someone has or is. Meena has a grey kitten. The kitten is soft. The kitten is cuddly. Okay. When we use these verbs along with the doing word, they became helping verbs. We often use the helping verb plus doing word together as a verb. I am studying for the English test. Mary was baking a birthday cake. Here in the two sentences, studying and am both are verbs. Helping verb plus doing word. In the second sentence, baking and was and baking we should use together as a verb. So students, I hope you should understood very best. So tomorrow we will take question A and B. Today we will stop here. Thank you.